And guys, I get it. This year's school year is a little different. Hi kids, welcome to another episode of I Can Draw, You Can Draw, We Can Draw, where we exercise our imaginations with me, ImaginDAN. I'm so excited to be here with you today. Today is back to school day. And guys, I get it. This year's school year is a little different. I mean, some people are online only, some people are online and at school, and you may even have friends that are back to school 100%. But the good news is that there's a lot of things that are the same. Like your teachers love you and they want you to have the best education ever. That your parents are doing their best to get you all your supplies and get you ready for school no matter what it looks like every day. So let's do some silly drawing in honor of our teachers and our school and our parents, and let's have some fun today. And I gotta admit, I went to school way back in the day, and I had some awesome teachers that helped me learn how to do really important things like share and be nice and be kind to each other. They also taught me all sorts of important things like how to read and how to do math. And teachers kind of are the most important people in our lives besides our family. They are the ones who give us all the information and skills so that we can grow up to be awesome humans and adults in this world. So a big shout out to the teachers and a big shout out to the parents, and then a big shout out to you who are doing awesome in this really kind of uncertain time. So I'm excited to celebrate school no matter what it looks like. I'm excited to celebrate teachers no matter what is going on in the world. Teachers are the best. So we've got a really important sentence today, or more than important, it's really silly. A really importantly silly sentence. And I got it all fired up on ImaginWow already. And there it is on ImaginWow. And the sentence is, on my way to school, I flew over a giant number 7 on my flying sofa. Okay, cool. Let me read it one more time. On my way to school, I flew over a giant number 7 on my flying sofa. Woo-hoo. So the good news is we have flying sofas in our life, and we're really excited about that. So we're going to give ourselves 3 minutes to draw this awesome sentence. It's the number 7. It's really big. We're on our flying sofa going to school, and we've got 3 minutes. So I would love for everybody just to get all of your pencils ready and all of your pens, and get your online classes or your at-school classes and all of your things you need to draw together. And let's get everybody who wants to draw. Hopefully it's a big class or a big family, and even if you're by yourself, that's okay. You can draw by yourself. It is still awesome. And then we've got to say our I can draw, you can draw, we can draw chant. And it's super important because it teaches us that everybody can draw, because that's the truth. Everybody can draw. So let's do our chant in 1, 2, 3. I can draw. You can draw. We can draw. That was awesome. That could have been the best one ever. So I'm super excited to draw this sentence with you. I'm super excited to honor our teachers and our parents and all the students in the world. Let's get back to school. Let's do this. And we are going to start this sentence in 3, 2, 1.
Go, go, go!
All right, so flying sofas on the way to school. I'm starting out with a pencil. I think that's the way to go. I'm really excited to see what color your sofas are. And teachers out there, I hope you know how amazing you are, because you are officially amazing. Well, I gotta be on this sofa, don't I? All right, 30 seconds. There I am. So I had some awesome teachers in my life. One of my favorite teachers was Miss Bailey, 9th grade English. She was so great. She called us wretched creatures in the nicest way possible. Yay, Miss Bailey. So remember, your teachers are awesome, no matter if it's online or in class or wherever. All right, a giant number 7. How big is your number 7 going to be? Mine's going to be big. All right, let's count 7 together, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And school is going to be over here in the background. All right. There's our little school. All right, we got 1 minute and 19 seconds left. All right, I'm going to start to color. Let's see, we got brown here. Cool. Looks like my hair is a little longer than it usually is. That's all right. A minute left, guys. And as usual, it doesn't matter if we really finish or not. It just matters that we started and we get to where we get. Flying sofas. Now that is silly. Line number 7. It's going to be blue. Big old sun over here. All right, 15 seconds left. And I'm going to do this red. The schoolhouse is going to be red. 4, 3, 2. Time's up. Oh my gosh, this was a tough one. Back to school day. This was a tough drawing. I'm so excited to show you what I drew. I hope you had the best day drawing with me today. Think about all we did. We already celebrated teachers, parents, and ourselves. We'd all deserve it. We recognize that this school year is a little different to start with, but we've got this. We can do it. And then we drew a really silly sentence of I was on my flying sofa and went over a giant number 7 on my way to school. So that's kind of fun. And I'm going to show you my picture now. So this is just 3 minutes. Yep, and so there's my sofa, there's my big old 7, there's the school, there's my textbook son. I am so excited to share. If you can share your drawing with me, go to ImaginDAN.fun on Instagram. That's our link there. And then we also have our Facebook page that you can go to, ImaginDAN Facebook. And then you can always subscribe to our YouTube channel. But before I go, I've just got to say thank you to all the teachers that taught me all the way from kindergarten all the way up through college. And I have teachers all the time that I see, and I thank them, and I thank the students, and I thank the parents. So have the best day. Until we draw again, keep imagining. Hi teachers, do you love ImaginDAN and what we do in our activities? Well, I can come to your class live. You can contact me at ImaginDAN.fun on Instagram or on my Facebook page. Thanks so much. Keep imagining.